Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix single click to open an item is grayed out in folder options of Windows 10, 8 or 7. For instance, when I open File Explorer and click on this one view option and then options, then you will see folder options, and here you can see click items as flows. Under this, single click to open an item and point to select option is grayed out. In my PC, that means I can't select this one option. To fix this issue, you can use this one registry editor method. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open run dialog box. Here you need to type regedit and then click on this one OK button. This will open registry editor. In case your Windows prompts for user account control, click on this one yes button. This will open registry editor. All you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. I will paste this one path in this video description. After copying and pasting this one path, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to Explorer key in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find a debug that name is Classic Cell. In case it does not exist on your Windows 10, 8 or 7 PC, right click on the free space on the right sidebar and select here new, and then this one option debug 32-bit value and name it Classic Cell. After that, double click on this one classic cell res debug, and you need to set the value data 0. Just set this one value data to 0 and then click on this one OK button. Now close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. Otherwise, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here task manager option. Under task manager, in case it opens with like this fewer details, click on this one more details option. After that, here scroll down to the bottom and you will find Windows Explorer process. Select this one and then click on this one restart button. That's all. Now again open folder options in your Windows PC. Just search folder options, or you can go through File Explorer option also. Just open, click on this one File Explorer options to open folder options or File Explorer options. Here you will find that this one single click to open an item is now active, and I can select this one option. That's all about this video. Bye.